Have you ever been upset after listening to the news talk about American unemployment? Have you ever wondered how we got to the point where U.S. companies closed their doors and moved overseas? The truth is that most Americans can just look at the mirror when they want to point a finger at anything, because us as Americans have stopped investing in ourselves. My name is James Mason, and my parents worked in the automotive manufacturing industry. They taught us through the years to always buy American whenever possible. Today I will show you through facts and statistics why we should do the extra effort to try to buy American products. Let us begin with some facts that I found in an article posted in Made in America website. Through research, I have asked where has buying non-U.S. products put us. First off, we have lost too many American jobs. According to the American Made, a study conducted by the Economic Policy Institute, if the U.S. trade deficit with China continues to increase at its current rate, the U.S. economy will lose more than 500,000 jobs this year alone. This is just one of many countries that Americans purchase products on an everyday basis. If we multiply this by even a small amount of additional countries selling here in the U.S., you can see how catastrophic unemployment can be. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of unemployed persons is currently at 12.8 million people. Looking at our current trend, we could potentially add millions more. We have also taken huge losses in the manufacturing industry. The United States has lost approximately 42,400 factories since 2001. This can be defined as the deindustrialization of the United States. We are no longer the once great industrial nation of the past. In fact, our greatest export today is waste. Even our automotive industry has closed its doors and moved overseas. In fact, the United States has lost a total of 5.5 million manufacturing jobs since October of 2000. Now I ask, what is our current status of our deficit? According to the U.S. National Debt Clock, our national debt is currently over $15 trillion and has continued to increase at a rate of 3.98 billion per day. Looking at these statistics, I can't imagine how we can stay on our current philosophy of buying without thought. Now that we have some statistics which provides some of the negative effects of not investing in American products, I'll show you why we should make every effort to ensure we buy American. I ask, why should we strive to buy U.S.-made products? Well, according to the USA Forever, there are several reasons we should. First, because when you buy American, you support not only American manufacturers, but also American workers, safe working conditions, and child labor laws. In several other countries around the world, there are no regulatory control over businesses. Also, when we buy goods made in the USA, we help the American economy to grow. In other words, instead of debt, we could look at surplus. Additionally, when you seek out American-made goods, you foster American independence, putting us back on the path of becoming a great industrial nation. If we purchase American products, will be maintained and created here in the U.S. The more demand for American products, the more employees we create to have that product. Again, buying American will only help the economy grow. The more manufacturers we require to make materials, the more money that will be put into the U.S. economy. For example, 300 million people in the United States I'll put $1 toward American products instead of putting that dollar toward foreign products. This is not increasing or decreasing the amount that we spend. This would add up to about $109,500,000,000. Now, what could America do with that amount of money? With an extra 109.5 billion, we could create 2,737,500 new jobs paying $40,000 per year. Now that's a step in the right direction, I would say. Now that we know why we should strive to buy American products, today I have given you solid facts pertaining to the implications of not buying American products, the financial benefits of buying American products, to include job creations. Purchasing American-made products is evidence that there is choice, and an obvious choice is buy American. If you demand American-made products, our nation will be successful. Thank you.